coming at you live from America's Heartland. POG is cost-cutting extreme right now. I did not sign up for this. They're free haircuts. I figured a couple inches off the top, it's all good. But seriously, I did not sign up for this. The cow's laying a pie right in front of me. I'm next. What the heck?
You're next. Step right up, Crazy
Oh,
Mike.
come on.
Get the courage. Come on up here. There you go. Easy does it. Easy does it.
Can't believe this. You need to call the girls. They tell me if I can get 20 more courage coats free. Oh man, come on. Call the girls. Tell them Crazy Mike sent ya. Oh man, come on, really? Only halfway? I can't believe this. It's not right. Call the girls. Tell them Crazy Mike sent ya. I just need 20 more.